Hi Louise, I've heard a lot about the Commonwealth Connection Project. Could you tell me some more?
Well, Demi, you're right. We've all been hearing a lot about the Commonwealth Connections Project, and I just thought it would be great to bring everybody up to date with what is happening. So, quite a while ago, sometime last year, we applied for funding to be part of this very special project called the Commonwealth Connections Project. And it's all to do with the Commonwealth Games that, as we know, are being held in our very own city of Birmingham in the summer. So the steering group have got very, very heavily involved, and there are two strands to the Commonwealth Connections project. There is the art project and there is the sports project.
Hi Louise, can you tell me about the sports bit, please?
So Paula, yeah, I'll tell you about the sports bit. We are working with a very exciting lady called Liz Johnson, who is a Paralympic athlete, a Paralympic swimmer, and she won gold at the Beijing Olympics. We had a fabulous day with her. I'll let Jess tell you a little bit more about our work with Liz. Hi Jess, what did you think about when we worked with Liz Johnson, our athlete mentor?
We had a really good time. We did lots of different activities on the playground. Everyone joined in and she showed us lots of different things we could do with different equipment. It was great.
So is it leading up to something special?
I think it is, yeah, something on the 4th of July.
Ah, yeah, we've got our very own sports festival, haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks, Jess.
That's okay.
As part of the project, we are partnered with Kilimo High School in Kenya, and the steering group have been having a great time connecting with them. We've spoken to each other through Zoom and through Teams. And although the technology was occasionally a little ropey, we are all starting to get to know each other. The Kenyan pupils have taught us a lovely song called The Land of Paradise, and the Kenyans have also voted that we play some football in our sports festival on the 4th of July.
Hi Louise, can you tell us about the art section please?
Yes, Claire, the art bit is really, really exciting as well. We are working with a local artist called Benny Semp, and where our final artwork will be is still a matter of debate, but we've been doing some wonderful fabric painting, and Benny is coming in every week, and that will culminate in our very own Arts Festival on the 11th of July.
Thank you for watching our Commonwealth Connections presentation. If you've got any other questions, please speak to your steering group representative in your class, or you can speak to me, Louise, or Mark, or Jess at any time. Thank you.